this man doing the flaring for this dryer core, because this dryer core is thread type, and we make pipeline and put it here and weld it. It's nice welding. Then now this is the liquid line for like bracing, and we connect the line here, and see this guys, we make this flare and tie this mat. Oh guys, we make first Teflon here, put in because this is metal, and this is brass and metal. We make this Teflon or oil thread seal. Okay guys, now we welded this line. We connected there in the dryer core, and this is the liquid line. Here one welding, here one bracing, and very hot. See, we can't touch this. Okay, this is the carrier ductable unit, 8.5 TR. It's a new model. See, this is the PC board. This is the control PC board. This is the thermostat, remote control, everything. The fan speed and the mode. You can change the mode here, and on off button, temperature up and down. Okay, this were for fan motor. This is the thermal bulb, expansion valve thermal bulb. This is the line. So we go like this. That is a two blower. There's a two blower. See another. Okay. There also one more ductable unit. We go there and place the. Oh my God. Okay guys, this is our work area. This is outdoor copper line welding basic set. This guy is one of the biggest engineer in the world. His name is, what is your name?
My name? My name is Corn.
Corn? Which corn? Popcorn? This is the carrier unit, 8.5 TR. This line coming from here. See the hole? Like this. There also one more outdoor unit. The pipeline போட்டோம். பைப்லைன் வந்து இங்கேருந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்து தெரியுதுங்களா, எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்து இப்படி வந்து நேராக இந்த இடத்துல வந்து கனெக்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, இப்படி போகுது கீழே. எப்படி நம்ம ஒர்க் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கொஞ்சம் கமெண்ட்லாம் பண்ணுங்கள். முக்கியமாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, மாடல் நம்பர் தான், மாடல் நம்பர். he making flare. Okay, how to make flare? கொஞ்சம் கட் பண்ணிக்கோ, இதையும் கொஞ்சம் கட் பண்ணிக்கோ பாட்டமில். Okay guys, now finish the pipeline work. See this, make here, and this is a hardened pipe, this is a soft pipe, because we need we put the flare here, connect a flare nut. That's why we are putting this soft pipe. This is a hardened pipe, this is also hardened pipe. Everything is welded, and today work is complete. Tomorrow we will do another job. See that one. That one is waiting for tomorrow, because there is no pipeline, and tomorrow we will purchase the pipeline, everything, and fix this one also. See this. Okay, this line coming here this way. Okay guys, bye bye.